Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to convert your old or unused tray into this beautiful tray, and to do this I have used decoupage technique and many more techniques to create this beautiful background. So let's get started. So here this is my old tray which was in the trash from many days, and I was about to throw that, but I thought why not to transform this into something beautiful and give it a new life using our beautiful craft. So to prime the base, first I am using this mixed media gesso by Little Birdie, and I'm applying it on all over the tray using flat brush. Now I'm just sponging this using sponge on the gesso so that we will not get any brush strokes and it will look more finished. So in the similar way, cover this whole tray, and I have covered completely with the gesso. Now here I am taking buttermilk chalk paint by Little Birdie, and I am coloring whole tray using this color. I am going to do 2 coats on this tray since the tray was in black color. So to hide the base color completely, I am going to do 2 coats. Again using the sponge to dab the colors so that we will not get any brush strokes. I like to dry. So after doing 2 coats, our base tray is ready. Now I am taking red color chalk paint and coloring the edge of the tray. Do it carefully when you are coloring the inner part. So I have covered all 4 edges from outer side and inside using the same chalk paint. And our base of the tray is ready. Now here I am taking this beautiful poppy flower decoupage paper, and I am going to cut the required area using wet brush. Never use scissors to cut decoupage paper. It gives very unnatural and artificial look to your work. If you want to do more natural work, always tear the decoupage paper using wet brush. So I have just separated this portion, and now we have to put the paper on the tray before applying glue and just check on which portion it is looking nice. So you can put it vertically or horizontally, it's up to you. Now removing the two layers from this, and now our paper is ready. This is a 3-ply decoupage paper, so you have to remove the 2-ply from bottom. Now I'm taking the decoupage glue by Little Birdie and applying it on the base using flat brush. And then slowly put your decoupage paper on top of this and spread it firmly using your fingers so that you will not get any wrinkles. Do it very carefully and very slowly. Be patient while working with the decoupage paper, especially when you are sticking it with the base. Dabbing it using my fingers so that it will stick very nicely. Now the portion which is not covered with the glue, I am adding glue and then sticking the remaining parts. So this is done. In the same way I will extend the design on remaining part. And after adding whole design, the bottom part of the tray is ready. But can you see this? The decoupage part and the base part is looking different. We can easily recognize that we have put some paper on top of our tray. So to hide this and to create it complete one look, I am just doing little shading using chalk paints. So here again I am taking buttermilk chalk paint and pista green chalk paint and doing some shading to make it like a complete one design. So after doing the shading, can you see it is looking like complete one design? And now I'm taking this polka dot stencil by iCraft and taking little light blue color chalk paint and dabbing it on the stencil. Take very little chalk paint on your brush. And remove the stencil, and can you see how beautiful the design is looking? In the same way you can do the same printing using any stencil which you have. And now I'm going to continue this on the remaining part after drying it completely. So it's done. Now I'm taking my script stamp by Mudra and black archival ink and stamping the scripting here and there randomly. You have to take any permanent ink, that's why I'm using archival ink. It gives you permanent sticking to your base. And script stamp I like the most while working with the decoupage because it gives you very nice shabby look and also very English look to your work. So just stamping it here and there randomly and it's done. Now I'm just splashing some black color chalk paint here and there using brush. Just doing it randomly all over the tray. Allow it to dry. Then it's time to do the varnish. So here I am taking the Ecuador varnish by Cadence. This is a water-based matte varnish and cover the whole surface using the varnish. You can also use decoupage glue, that is a Mod Podge, to varnish your projects. And this is done. Now in the corner I'm just adding some half cut pearls to decorate the edge of the tray. So I'm using here 3 sizes of pearls to decorate the corners. And in the same way I have decorated all 4 corners. So the beautiful tray is ready, and can you see, after doing the decoupage technique we have converted the old and unused tray into this beautiful tray like a ready-made one. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.